You have multiple solar quotes, but one is more expensive than the others. Is it overpriced, or is there more to the story? Not all solar installers or quotes are created equal. In this video, I'll break down what to look for beyond the price tag. I'm Larry Byler with Paradise Energy Solutions. After creating thousands of quotes and reviewing plenty from other installers, I've seen firsthand what really drives the price differences between solar proposals. Let's start with the foundation of every solar system, the equipment. Not all solar panels and inverters are created equal. First of all, we could talk about the various types of solar inverters, a string inverter versus a microinverter versus an optimizer system. And they have a variety of systems that make sense for them and a variety of price points. If you have a different piece of equipment on one quote versus another quote, that can add up really quickly. But in addition to that, there's many low-end products in the market that aren't built to last. There's some off-brands that rise quickly and then fall quickly. So that's something to watch out for. You working with a brand that you know that's been around for a while that you can trust. Also, some companies use old technologies or old components to offer a lower cost. Customers may not understand that the warranties on these products may have started years before the product's installed. Typically, the warranty clock on products start within 3 to 6 months after they're manufactured. So if you have an old product, it may already be a couple years to the warranty till it's installed on your roof. Next up is workmanship. We've seen firsthand how lower cost installation can lead to costly maintenance and performance issues down the road. Sometimes, even before the system's complete, another installer has to come in and finish the project or make some adjustments. So a couple things to think about here. Installation quality is extremely important, especially for an investment that's this large. Our maintenance division has observed a wide variety of avoidable issues on projects that we have worked on that were installed by others. Our goal is to go above and beyond, not only providing a quality installation, but also making the entire process smooth, from the paperwork and the grants, all the way to the install team, to how they act and how they work, to the paperwork that we give you at the end of the project, to the customer service of our maintenance department. Another major difference, how accurately your system is estimated to perform. So a number of the quotes that I've seen over the years look great on paper, but may not accurately portray the actual production capabilities of the system. I've seen production that's way too high for the system. I've seen electric rates that are way too high for the area. And I've seen increase in electric rates assumptions that are way too high for what we've seen historically. Those are a couple of things to watch out for. One of the keys to a good solar quote is realistic ROIs and production estimates. Our estimating team here uses top-of-the-line, complex software and spends time custom designing each project before it's quoted to give you an ROI and payback that is as realistic as possible. We can't control future electric rates or SREC prices, but we want to be as accurate as we can be on the front end to give our customers the best chance of success on the back end. Now, let's talk about warranties. Offering long-term coverage, especially production guarantees, adds real value, but it also adds real cost. Long-term warranties are inherently risky and add cost. Companies can mitigate these risks with quality installations and quality products, and team up with manufacturers that have good customer service. A production guarantee that is not reduced or voided by weather variances adds cost as well, which is something that we do here at Paradise Energy. And finally, the long game. A cheaper installer might be here today, gone tomorrow, but companies that plan to be around for decades, supporting your system and honoring your warranties, need to build that cost right into their projects, because long-term financial stability of the company equals warranty and maintenance support. A company that exists to make a buck can be cheap and get away with it for a time, maybe even a couple of years. But companies built to weather the storms of the industry and provide long-term service must be profitable. So why are some solar installers more expensive than others? As you've seen, it often comes down to the quality of the equipment, the experience behind the installation, how realistic the savings estimates are, and the level of support that you'll get after your installation is complete. If you're curious what solar might cost for your home or business, try out our free solar price estimator. Just enter a few quick details like your roof type, your monthly electric bill, and equipment preferences, and you'll get an instant ballpark price. The link is in the description below. And if you're ready for an exact quote, our team of solar consultants is here to help. We'll walk you through your options and give you a detailed proposal tailored to your goals. Request your custom quote using the link in the description below. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more honest solar insights and let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.